Today, my wife Jamie, who's a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations, is on the Disney Destiny checking out cabin 8574, a Deluxe Family Oceanview with Veranda. If that sounds like something you want to check out, stick around.
Okay, and the nice thing about Disney Destiny is you can have a split bathroom. So that means you have a shower and sink on one side, which it's a beautiful shower with glass doors. And then on the other side, you have a toilet and another sink, which is so nice for multiple families getting ready. And let's go ahead and check out the stateroom. So you have a lovely flat screen TV. And this stateroom is a deluxe family with ocean view with veranda. It is Brave theme, as you can see. And it sleeps 4 in this specific cabin. So if you are needing for 5, make sure if you book with me to let me know that, obviously, and I will put you in a stateroom that sleeps 5, but this one sleeps 4. So the main difference between one that sleeps 4 and 5 is that the one with 4 will have the lower berth and then an upper berth there. I will show you guys later when it's turned down what it looks like. But one that sleeps 5, this little spot right here in the corner will come down and be an extra bed for the 5th family member. But that one does not happen in this one. Look, little bears. It's the triplets. Lots of space in the stateroom, which is really nice. For anybody who's worried about little ones, you don't have to worry because there is a big latch up there and then you have to open this door and it is very heavy. So this is our veranda. Look how spacious that is.
So if you are looking to book this room or one like it on the Disney Destiny or any other Disney cruise ship, why not contact my wife? She's a travel agent who specializes in Disney vacations. She works as a free concierge service for you to help you have the most magical vacation possible. But best of all, when you book your cruise through her, she offers up to $1,000 in onboard credit. That's just free money for you to use on your next cruise. Easiest way to reach out to her is by email, jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or by her website, www.clickthemouse.ca/JamieQuote. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. We'll see you next time. Bye.